I'm going to show you how to overlay on TradingView. So to get started, you have to open your tradingview.com, and then from there you just have to log in into your account. So to get started, you have to click on the plus button right here on the left side pane, or even beside the BTC USD, or you can click this one, compare or add symbol, and then from there you just have to select a symbol where you wanted to compare. So you need to initially select the one that you need first, and then you have to select anything that you want to compare. So from there I'm just going to click it and then exit. As you can see now, it is now overlaid. It is two overlaid, Bitcoin and GMT. So from there you can also adjust the settings of that one by clicking on settings. So you can adjust the simple input, style, and visibility. And so from there you can also change the settings, or you can also change the view by clicking again on plus sign right here. And also you can select on new price scale or new pane, or same percentage scale. So from there you will see that it will be different, or you can either adjust anything that you want in new pane or new percentage. It will look like this. So that's how you overlay two charts on TradingView.